Hey, Susan and team. This video is actually going to show you, you guys have been making out calls and doing fantastic, by the way, for the Keswick and the Martin's Landing campaigns. We're going to now house these inside of 360, so you won't have to work off of Excel sheets. They're going to be housed in what we call the call queue. So when you come and log into 360, if you don't see the word call queue sitting up here on your toolbar, you can go to this plus sign and say customize my tabs, and you want the call queue, you would select it, move it over to where it's in the selected tabs. Feel free to move it around as needed, and hit save, and then you should see the call queue here. So you would go and click on the call queue, and there is a new one in here, by the way, one that's ready to go. And once you click, you're going to look for mailing campaign Windermere. Okay? Once you click on it, what this will do is this will actually show you the customer's info. It's very similar info, it's just in a different format. So what it's going to show you is the customer's info, just their general information, their address, their name, telephone numbers, um, etc. Now, they have called us in the past. As you can tell, back in 2007, this customer contacted us when we gave an estimate. We're calling them now to see if we can schedule one of the P4 general inspections. So let's say you make the call, and here's where you disposition the call. You've got a couple of things to do. You could say a new appointment, which is great. That means you're able to book a P4. And if you hit that, it's going to take you to the screen that you're used to seeing to booking appointments, and I'll show you that in a second. Remarket, you won't really use that, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Not qualified, that's going to mean if they didn't meet the criteria. Again, not a button I think that you guys would use too often. Wrong number, well, that's pretty self-explanatory, I think. TCPA basically means that put them on a do not call list. Some of the campaigns that you've been dialing from now, customers have said, please take me off the list. If you do the TCPA, that will, in fact, take them or remove them from the list. Further on down the line, you can see no answer if the customer did not answer, left message, busy signal, or return call later. Anytime you disposition one of these, for example, we call Miss Pulla and we leave a voicemail, you simply just hit left message and the screen will pop up giving you the next customer's info, and it will keep record that we left a message for Miss Pulla on today. The campaign is set up to keep the customers in here until we make 3 call outs to them or book an appointment, whichever comes first. So you'll see the customers kind of cycle through as we go through the days. With this, there are 298 customers to call from this campaign. And yeah, that might be it. So up here, it's going to show you any time blocks that are available for the appointment. Since it doesn't have a category yet, you wouldn't see time blocks here, so that's okay. What you're really looking to do is grab these telephone numbers. You've got the address, you've got the name, and if you were to hit new appointment, if you were able to get a P4 general inspection scheduled, you'd hit the new appointment, and then from here, you could do your P4 and get to the time block calendar. And that's going to be, that will be it when it comes to using the call queue to make those outbound calls for P4 general inspections. Look this over and let me know if you have any questions. Alrighty, thank you.